everyone, welcome back to my channel. These are crispy deviled eggs. This recipe is a great appetizer. It is super delicious, perfect for barbecues outside, and it's super simple. And the first thing you need to do is you need to boil your eggs for 10 minutes and then put them in an ice bath. So I already went ahead and did that. And the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna cleanly peel off the shell. So you're just gonna tap it lightly. And then we're just going to gently peel off. Be careful to not break the actual egg itself. Now that we have our eggs, and of course it's just gonna depend on how many eggs you wanna make. I just have 3. So I'm going to carefully cut it down the middle. And we're gonna separate the yolk from the egg white. So I just want to pop it out into a separate bowl, and you wanna keep the egg white intact. This is one of those like fun recipes that people forget about a lot. And if you love deviled eggs, but you're looking for something a little bit crispier, a little bit more unique that's gonna, wow your guests, or just something fun to enjoy, this is definitely a great way to have like an upgraded deviled egg. Before we work on the egg whites, which are the star of the show, of course, here, let's go ahead and season the filling. So I have my egg yolks. I'm going to add some mayonnaise. All the measurements will be in the description below. And I'm using, of course, Duke's Mayo, which is my favorite. Then I'm gonna add tiny bit of Dijon mustard, season with some garlic powder, pinch of salt, and I'm gonna use 2 different kinds of paprika. I'm gonna use a mild paprika and slightly spiced smoked paprika. And we're just going to now mash our egg yolk in with our mayo. Of course, you can season it to your preference, so go ahead and taste it, see if you want to add any extra seasonings, but I'll include my measurements again down in the description below. And that is it for our filling for the deviled eggs. So I'm just going to add this to a plastic bag, or you can add it to a piping bag. That just makes it easier when you're actually piping it onto the egg white. And if you're enjoying this video so far, I would appreciate if you would hit that like button down there and also subscribe while you're at it. So for our crispy egg whites for the deviled eggs, I'm gonna add an egg white to, not an egg white, a whole egg to a bowl. And I'm just going to whisk this egg and add a little bit of water as well. A tiny bit of filtered water. I'm also going to add some all-purpose flour. And I'm gonna be using a Japanese style panko breadcrumbs. You can also just use regular breadcrumbs, Italian breadcrumbs, really whatever kind of breadcrumbs you want. I'm gonna add a pinch of salt to both the flour and my breadcrumbs because they're plain. And I'm gonna add a little bit of my paprika as well. So order of operations, you're gonna take your egg white, you're gonna coat it in the all-purpose flour. And while you're doing this, you can also start preheating your oil. So I have some avocado oil that I am preheating. You're gonna take the egg white that's coated in all-purpose flour, and you're going to now drop it into your egg wash. Get it nice and coated. You have your wet hand and your dry hand. And then go ahead and drop the egg white into the panko. And we're gonna make sure that it is nice and coated. And once you have your coated egg white, go ahead and repeat this process for all of the eggs that you're gonna be doing. So put it in your all-purpose flour, then drop it into the egg wash. And then drop it into your breadcrumbs. I'm ready to fry the egg whites, and I'm making sure that my oil is preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And it is ready to go. So now I'm gonna carefully drop in my coated egg whites. And we're just gonna fry them for about 1 minute or so. And it honestly might not take the full minute. Just make sure you're watching so that you don't burn the breadcrumbs that are coating your egg whites. So you can see this is already getting nice and golden, and honestly, it's ready to take out. So I'm just gonna turn off my heat, and we're gonna take out these crispy egg whites, and we're just gonna put them on a paper towel to let some of that oil drain. And also just let it cool for maybe a couple minutes. I've laid out my crispy egg whites, and I'm now going to fill them with the egg yolk filling that we made earlier. This is just such a simple recipe, but I feel like it upgrades a classic deviled egg and it makes it crunchy and crispy. And honestly, this will wow anyone that you serve this to. They'll think that you're like the best chef in the world. And obviously we're not here. This is just super simple. It's also a great appetizer. Like I said, I love this with some barbecue. It just goes perfectly with that. And that is it for crispy deviled eggs. Super delicious, super simple. I mean, I love to sprinkle a little bit of extra paprika just for color on top, and then add some chives or some thinly sliced green onions. This is a simple recipe, and of course it's high in protein because it's eggs. So delicious. Let's do a taste test. So I'm just gonna grab this one right here. It is perfectly crispy. You have the delicious deviled egg filling. I know you guys will love this recipe. Cheers. If you love deviled eggs, if you love crispy, delicious food, you have to give this a try. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below, and thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Also hit that notification bell to never miss a tasty upload. Till next time.